Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
Creating luxurious home garden designs, a guide to plant arrangement and soil tips. In the realm of home gardening, the pursuit of luxury is often expressed through exquisite plant arrangements and meticulous attention to detail. A luxurious garden can transform an ordinary space into a serene retreat, enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home, and provide a breath of fresh air to its inhabitants. This article delves into the art of creating opulent garden designs, offering insights on plant selection, soil preparation, and the harmonious integration of plants with surrounding decor. Understanding luxurious garden design. A luxurious garden is characterized by its elegance, sophistication, and the careful curation of plants that exude beauty and tranquility. Such gardens often embrace a variety of elements, including diverse plant selection, incorporating both flora and foliage that complement the overall design is key. This includes ornamental trees, exotic flowers, and lush greenery that thrive in the selected environment. Thoughtful layout. The arrangement of plants should consider the spaces they occupy, creating a flow that guides the eye and invites exploration. Integration with architecture. A luxurious garden shouldn't clash with the home's architecture. Instead, it should enhance the overall aesthetic, creating seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. The importance of soil quality. One of the cornerstones of successful gardening is the quality of the soil. The right soil can determine the health and vitality of your plants, ultimately contributing to the luxurious feel of your garden. Here are some essential tips for ensuring the best soil conditions. The importance of soil quality. One of the cornerstones of successful gardening is the quality of the soil. The right soil can determine the health and vitality of your plants, ultimately contributing to the luxurious feel of your garden. Here are some essential tips for ensuring the best soil conditions. Know your soil type. Understanding whether your garden soil is sandy, loamy, or clay-based is crucial. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages regarding drainage, nutrient retention, and aeration. Enhance with organic matter. Enriching your soil with organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, improves soil structure and nutrient content. Organic matter helps retain moisture while providing essential nutrients to plants. Balance pH levels. Different plants thrive in specific pH ranges. Conduct a soil test to determine your soil's pH and amend it accordingly. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6.0 to 7.0. Ensure proper drainage. Good drainage is vital to prevent plant root rot. If your garden has poor drainage, consider raising beds or incorporating materials like perlite or sand to improve aeration. Choosing plants that complement home decor. The relationship between plants and their surroundings extends beyond mere aesthetics. It's about creating a cohesive environment where the garden enhances the home's architecture and interior design. Here are some tips on how to select plants that work harmoniously with your home decor. Consider color schemes. When selecting plants, think about the color palette of your home. For instance, if your exterior is painted in soft neutrals, using plants with vibrant flowers can create a beautiful contrast, while foliage in varying shades of green can provide a serene backdrop. Match sizes and shapes. The size and shape of plants should complement the architectural features of your home. Tall, slender plants can accentuate vertical lines, while bushy plants can soften harsh edges. Incorporate focal points. Use larger plants or unique sculptures as focal points to draw attention and add visual interest to your garden. For example, a majestic palm tree can serve as an anchor in a luxurious outdoor sitting area. Textures matter. Mix different textures from plants to create depth. Combining smooth-leafed plants with those that have velvety or spiky leaves can add richness to your garden. Create layers. Planting in layers ensures that shorter plants are foreground and taller plants are positioned in the background. This approach not only adds depth but also allows sunlight to reach all plants efficiently. Seasonal considerations. Understanding the seasons is crucial for maintaining a luxurious garden. Seasonal changes can impact the garden's appearance and the growth of plants. Here are some tips to keep your garden vibrant year-round. Choose perennials wisely. Select perennials that bloom at different times throughout the year. This ensures that your garden has consistent color and visual interest across seasons. Incorporate evergreens. To provide structure and greenery during winter months, include evergreen plants. They serve as a backdrop when deciduous plants lose their leaves. Maintenance. Regular maintenance, including pruning, deadheading, and mulching, keeps the garden looking polished and healthy. Seasonal tasks like fertilizing and pest control should also be scheduled. Adding outdoor features. To elevate the luxury of your garden further, consider integrating outdoor features that harmonize with your garden design. Water features. Adding fountains, ponds, or streams can introduce a soothing auditory and visual element to your garden. Lighting. Landscape lighting can dramatically change the ambience of your garden at night, highlighting plants and architectural features while creating a magical atmosphere. Pathways and patios. Thoughtfully designed pathways can guide guests through your garden, inviting them to explore. Patios provide spaces for relaxation and socializing, further enhancing the luxury feel of your outdoor area. Conclusion. Creating a luxurious home garden is an art that combines plant selection, soil quality, and thoughtful design. By paying attention to these elements, homeowners can create an oasis of beauty that not only complements their living spaces but also offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. With the right knowledge and creativity, anyone can cultivate a garden that exudes luxury and elegance, creating an environment that is as inviting as it is visually stunning. By understanding the interplay of plants, soil, and decor, you can ensure that every aspect of your garden contributes to its overall luxury and charm. A well-designed garden is not just an extension of your home, it is a personal sanctuary that reflects your taste and sophistication.
Good evening to all followers at Decor Pro 2.